Hey guys, welcome to Ueephone video. The repair in this video is this iPhone 10 that restarts automatically. You can see that the phone will restart automatically after a while. After unscrew the tail screw, disassemble the phone to check the problem. Use the pick to open the screen gap. After uncovering the screw, unscrew the cover plate screws and remove the cover plate. Disconnect the battery cable, screen cable, handset cable. Remove the screen, disconnect the other cable on the motherboard. Unscrew the motherboard fixing screws and remove the motherboard. Remove the motherboard baffle foam. Heat the motherboard on a heating table for 2 minutes to allow the motherboard to delaminate. This kind of mobile phone restart is generally caused by the logic chip of the motherboard, so we directly check whether the logic chip is damaged. It is absurd here that the logic chip has a vital welding problem, which may be caused by excessive force when screwed on the screw. We use a heat gun to remove the logic chip IC. Remove excess solder from parts and ICs. Reprint time for IC. Resolder the IC back to the motherboard. After soldering, place the upper and lower motherboards on the heating table and fit them together. After bonding, pass the baffle foam on the motherboard. Put the motherboard back into the phone. Fasten the cable and tighten the motherboard fixing screws. Apply new screen glue. Install the screen, buckle the cable. Install the cover plate and tighten the cover plate screws. Tighten the tail screws after pressing the screw. Now let's boot up and test the functions.
A few moments later.
You can see that all functions are normal and the phone will not restart automatically. Then repair of this iPhone is over.